Hey everyone, welcome back and welcome if you are new. Today we are visiting Living Spaces. Living Spaces is basically a furniture warehouse. They house a lot of furniture pieces from sectionals to chaises and lounge chairs and anything and everything in between. They also have a home decor section. So don't sleep on Living Spaces now. They have more to them than just furniture. So their decor section was pretty decent. They had a lot of different vibes. I saw a lot of restoration hardware vibes in it, kind of that old world look. So if you have a Living Spaces in your area, definitely check out their home decor section. And then I also went to Ikea. I'm looking for some additional storage shelving so that I can rearrange my master bedroom closet. And then lastly, I went to Homegoods in another location to see what new items they had in store. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy watching. Let me know what type of videos you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a video. See you in the next one. Bye.